Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the Poco F7 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process. Also, I'm gonna tell you, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, you can find it on our channel. There are a bunch of videos when I'm showing you how to create such a backup, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, so now we want to get into our WhatsApp. In here, let's choose our language. In here, click on agree and continue. I will allow to send me notifications. And now in here, we need to type our phone number. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So just give me a second. Okay, it has been successfully verified. Okay, so once you have verified your phone number, just like I did, you will have something like this: contacts and media. In here, simply click on continue. I'm gonna click on allow to give access to the contacts, also to the audio and the videos. I'm gonna click on allow all. And now, as you can see, we had looking for backups on the top of the screen. You could see it right in here. And now we have option to restore our chats. So also below we have information how long ago was it made. In my case, it's 2 minutes ago. Also the size of it and the account on which it is stored actually. Okay, so now to restore the chats, simply click on restore. Okay, now let's wait until it's finished. Okay, as you can see, 10 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So let's click on next. In the profile info, in here, simply type your name, and also if you want, you can add the profile photo by clicking this green button. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave just like it is now. Okay, and now let's see. Okay, all of the messages, including the photos and videos, has been successfully transferred and backupped and restored. So let's see if the video plays. Okay, it works, so that's good to see. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.